In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Google Drive for Desktop app with the Google app resources that are included with my curriculum. Whether you own the integrated, earth, life, or physical science curriculum, you're going to use this application the exact same way in how I demonstrate in this video. So we're going to show how to use the application with the Google app resources included with the Nature of Science curriculum. Whether you're looking at the Earth, Life, or Physical Science curriculum, you're going to find a folder that's named Google App Resources Redirections. This folder includes all of the Google App files. You will not find Google App files in any other folder within any other curriculum. So when we click on this folder, this is going to show us Google App files organized into subfolders. So there are directions. When we access these directions and we click this link, it's going to take us to a guide that will help us install Google Drive for Desktop. It will also provide videos as how to use the application, as well as provide some suggestions for how to use the application in an indirect way with school accounts or work accounts that cannot use the application because those accounts or maybe a school computer is blocked from using Google Drive for Desktop. So these 4 folders here list the Google app resources that are included within those folders. So we have digital task cards, which are also available with forced copy links, Google Classroom lessons, Google unit exams, which are also available with forced copy links, and the presentation notes and exams. Just to note, there are some redundancies in the files here. You'll notice that the Google form exams are found in a folder here, but they're also found in this folder here. Presentations and student notes are also included in Google Classroom lessons. I've included multiple folders here and organized Google App folder or Google App files in different ways, just to provide different options for educators to download Google App resources. If you are an educator that is looking to have all of the teaching materials for any one of these curricula, my suggestion would be to download the Google Classroom lessons with the summative exams and the digital task cards. Currently, those are the resources that are available to access with Google Drive for Desktop. Over time, there may be additional Google app resources that become available. And if they're accessible with the Google Drive for Desktop app, you'll see those folders populate here. This is the smallest curriculum that I offer. There are only 4 units. The Earth Science curriculum includes 13 units. The Physical Science curriculum includes 13 units. And the Life Science curriculum includes 17 units. Google App files are relatively small, so for any one of the curricula, you most likely will be able to download the entire Google App resources folder to your computer as one folder. From there, you can pick and choose the subfolders that you want to add to your Google Drive using the Google Drive for Desktop app. So I've downloaded all of them here. It only took a few seconds, less than 30 seconds for this particular curriculum. The default download folder for Windows and Mac computers is the download folder. It's accessible in Finder on Mac computers and File Explorer on Windows computers. So I have a shortcut to my download folder here, which I'm going to open in Finder. The Dropbox is going to take all of these resources that we downloaded from Dropbox and download to your computer as a zip file. On a Mac computer, all I have to do is double click the zip file in order to decompress or extract the contents of this zip file, and when I open this, you can see that the contents of this folder are identical to everything that I just downloaded from Dropbox. On a Windows computer, I would have to right click and then find the option to extract in order to get the same result as I did here on the Mac computer. So now I want to copy these Google App resources to my Google Drive. I already have the Google Drive for Desktop app installed on my computer, and so what we need to do is we need to cut and paste, copy and paste, drag and move, whichever method you whichever method you choose. We need to get these Google App resources, which have been nicely organized into folders and subfolders, depending on what the resource is, from the download folder into my drive. So I am going to select the digital task. I've actually selected everything here. So we need to select the digital task cards, the Google Classroom lessons, and the Google Form unit exams. I want to copy just these 3 folders to my Google Drive. So I'm going to copy. I'm going to click the link for my drive. And now I'm going to paste. So now the Google Drive for Desktop app is going to be working. And it's going to upload these resources to my Google Drive. Now this is a relatively small upload that is going to sync to my drive. This will probably take about a half an hour, maybe up to an hour, but this is only 4 units. The other curriculum, the earth science, the life science, the physical science curricula, they include hundreds of lessons, more than a dozen units. It's going to take hours for the Google App resources to sync to your drive. I strongly suggest, whether you're uploading a single subject or whether you own the integrated curriculum and you're going to be uploading multiple subjects of Google App resources, I strongly suggest starting this process in the evening, adjusting the energy settings on your computer, and letting this process take place overnight. So you're going to want to adjust the energy settings on your computer. You can see I've done that here. I don't allow the display to turn off until after 3 hours. I could change it to never. If I was doing the integrated curriculum, I would adjust this for one night for never, just so that the computer stays on all night. I don't have any issues with the syncing. We don't want the computer to fall asleep while the files are syncing. If your computer falls asleep during the process, what will happen is the Wi-Fi is going to turn off. And when the Wi-Fi turns off, you're going to see errors in the syncing process. So I'm going to demonstrate what would happen. So let's say I didn't adjust the energy settings and I walked away from my computer to allow these resources to sync, and my computer falls asleep. When my computer falls asleep, the Wi-Fi shuts down. So you think that it would just turn off the application and everything stops, but when it comes back on, what ends up happening is that I have errors that occur. And what I have to do here now is I can go in here and I can retry, and I can go through all these files and retry for all of them. And this will correct the problem. But if you haven't adjusted the energy settings, every time your computer falls asleep, you're going to have to go back and find additional files that fail to sync, and you're going to have to retry all of these files and correct all of these errors. And this can be very frustrating, and what takes a long time is going to take even longer. So my suggestion is to adjust the energy settings so your computer never falls asleep, the Wi-Fi is not disrupted, and there are no issues regarding the syncing process. So let's go take a look at what's going on in my Google Drive. So if we go to my drive, you'll notice that when the syncing process starts, you'll start to see the folders. if I take a look at one of these, I'll see that for here, there are supposed to be 4 unit exams. All 4 of the exams are here. And if I click on one of these, it is fully editable, so I know it uploaded correctly. The lessons are what have the most files. So this is probably what's going to take the longest. I noticed that the PDF files are here, but I don't see any of the Google Apps specific files. For the most part, with the Google Classroom lessons, you'll see the PDF files first, and over time, you'll see the Google App files start to populate your folder. So, like I said, this is 4 units. This will probably take about a half an hour for all of the Google App files that I want to sync to my Google Drive to finish syncing. For a single subject, when we're talking about the earth, life, and physical science subjects, it's going to take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours. If you have the integrated curriculum and you're looking to sync all of the Google App files for the earth, life, physical, and nature of science curricula, you can expect that to take up to 6 hours. A lot of that's going to depend on your internet speed and other factors. So I suggest starting this in the evening, adjusting the energy settings on your computer. By the time you wake up in the morning, the entire sync process will have been completed. So I hope this video helps you better understand how to access these Google App resources that are included with the curriculum that you have purchased. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at dsj.elkowitz@gmail.com.